As you can see, I'm not in my driveway, and the truck is over there. It's not in a driveway either. Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. As you can see, I'm not in my driveway and the truck is over there. It's not in a driveway either. So I'm actually right now testing my Titan swap. I went out for off-roading and recording a video over here now. And I know in the past I said don't ever go out. And since I'm by myself, I'm not gonna go all the way. This trail goes pretty far, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that by myself. As you can see, the trail goes and goes, and you can drive for hours, I guess, over here. But I'm right now halfway towards my destination. So far it's been really great. I've been on this trail with my stock tires, with my stock suspension. Right now is completely different thing. A lot of rocks they just go under and there's no issues. And that's the whole point of this suspension, to be higher. And as you can see, the tires and everything looks pretty good, looks pretty beefy. I know I did not deflate my tires. Unfortunately, I don't have a pump to pump the air back with me, but hopefully I'm not gonna punch with the tire or anything. I'm going very careful over all the rocks, and yeah, and hopefully it's all gonna be all right. Oh, you probably noticed I painted that red. I guess why not? Looks pretty. So the suspension going over the rocks, over everything is pretty good. It's very, very good. I still wanna look at the video, how it's gonna come out. Hey guys, and right now I'm actually in the middle of editing the video, the one you're watching, and I'm just shocked. I'm actually shocked and impressed how well the suspension was doing, because now I actually was able to see what was going on underneath the truck as I was driving, and another notice that how too cautious I was there. I was too careful. I'm sure the truck is capable of way more. The off-roading that I gave it to it, didn't look like even off-roading. It was like walking a park. Most of the rocks were not even reaching to anywhere. But like I said, I was by myself. There was nobody to pull me out if I get stuck or something. So, and since it's the first time with this suspension, I still want to be careful with everything. So yeah, but I still hope you guys gonna enjoy this video. So let's get back to it. I'm trying to record multiple angles, so we'll see how that's gonna look. It's probably gonna take me a while to edit all of that, but I'll try to do my best with all my work and very limited time. I do try to record and upload at least one video a week, so hopefully you guys gonna see this pretty soon from the day that I record this. But overall, I'm very happy with this suspension. It drives amazing. It drives really amazing and really worth it. The Titan swap, I feel like it's one of the best modifications you can do. I know there's lots of other modifications that I still want to do. I really wish sometimes down the road I can get the rear differential locker. It's very important, and it's very important to have it in any case for off-roading or overlanding. But yeah, so just gonna hop in now, drive some more. Yeah, we'll have some more fun on the trail. Alright guys, as you can see, I got out from the trail, so that means I didn't break down anywhere. So that's a good thing, right? And as you can see, I still have all 4 tires. Believe me, there's still 4 there. Even though I know I did not air down, but luckily I didn't puncture any tires, so that's good. But hopefully soon I'm gonna get an air compressor, so whenever I go to the trail next time, just make sure you air down, or at least your body has a compressor. And of course, I didn't puncture anything, even though I don't have skid plates yet, which I really want to get soon. Luckily, I was able to clear out all the obstacles, all the rocks. As you can see, nothing is dripping anywhere, so that's pretty good, right? So right now over here I'm just resting, drinking some water, and at this nice spot over here by the little lake. It's very nice and peaceful after a little bit of a not stressful drive over there, but still, you know, when you drive by yourself, you gotta be very extra cautious. And I would of course not recommend to go by anybody by themselves, unless you're really professional, of course, and have all the recovery gear in the world. Then yeah. Even though I ran into one guy coming on a Toyota, he went there by himself as well. And as I'm recording over here the video, I saw him drive by, so he got out fine. So I'm really impressed with the suspension, the way it handled, the way I was able to go over all the obstacles. It felt pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go back home. Of course I'm gonna go back home, where else? I'm gonna go back home, just clean it up. I'm gonna check all the bolts and nuts all over again, make sure that nothing got loose or anything. And yeah, and gonna start working on this video. And hopefully you guys gonna like this video as well. Like I said, I tried to do multiple shots of multiple angles, and we'll see what happens. Let's see how the video gonna come out. And alright guys, so I hope you guys gonna enjoy this little video of this little off-road with a new Titan swap suspension. I cannot stress enough how I like this suspension and the way the truck behave now. I really like my truck, as you can tell probably. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I find it helpful. And until next time, everybody, bye.